Okay, hi, today I'm going to show you how to deploy your website and host it for free with a free website or subdomain using Firebase. Actually, recording this after I finish the tutorial review. If you prefer written text, I would advise you to go click on the link down below for my blog post about the same exact tutorial because I've been there. I don't like watching long videos too, so you can go check it out. However, if you want somebody to help you step by step, if you have no prior experience in deploying websites or hosting them, this will be perfect for you. So first, we're going to create an HTML page, a basic HTML page. And we'll write, for example, a heading that says how to deploy your website. And then we're going to save it and install Firebase from our to and VM installed Firebase. So we're waiting for that to install. It will take a little while. I'm using GitHub Codespaces because they already have Node.js pre-installed. However, you can install Node.js for yourself or use this easier way, Firebase. So the installation is done. Now we gotta log in to Firebase. You can log in with your Google account, even if you didn't create a Firebase account, because you just need a Google account. After you write Firebase login, you're going to say no to this, and then you are going to follow this complete. Open. So we're going to use one of your accounts. I'm waiting for it to log in. Allow. Although we did not run this command, it was just the same without no localhost. Yes, I just ran this command. And this is indeed our session ID, as you can see here. So we go back and we will confirm that this is my session ID. Then it gave us this authorization code. So we're gonna put it in. We just gotta paste it. Okay, I logged in. Now that I logged in, we are going to, as you can see here, we will select our project name will be test for about I accept. Continue. Yes, we are going to click on web. App nickname will be test for HEPA. We will set up Firebase hosting for this app. This is a necessary requirement. Then we will register the app. I will click. Okay, so we already ran this command. It's called Firebase. And by the way, this SDK is for the analytics. You don't have to use it. I'll skip it for this tutorial. While we are using this command, oh, I think I actually used it already. Okay, so we also ran this command to install the Firebase tools. Now we already logged in, so we will do the Firebase initialization.
First, we are going to write. Okay, so in this part, we're going to initialize Firebase. So we're writing Firebase init, which is short for initialize. Then we are picking this option, hosting, configure files for Firebase hosting, and optionally set up GitHub action deploys. Then you click space and then enter, because it confused me in the beginning. Now you're going to write any name for any folder, and then it will create that folder for you. If you have only a one-page app, then you are going to click yes. However, if it's a multi-page app, then you're going to do no. Multi-page app is multiple HTML pages. The assets have to go to, the assets aren't counted as a multi-page app. For this tutorial, we are going to click no. Then we're gonna take it and put it into this folder and any other assets we need. And I'm going to show you that, how the assets will work in the deployment. So we're carrying it into Mini. Then we are writing Firebase deploy. So as you can see, it's a legit website. We are going to follow it right now. Okay, as you can see, it's working well. And now I'm going to show you where the text file is. As you can see, it's HTTPS, not just HTTP, which means it's secure and also an accessible subdomain until you have enough money to buy a domain from your profits. So right now we are writing in.txt, and yeah, as you can see, the text file has loaded from the website, not from our file.
You can just click here, add whatever you want to add, and then save the file, and just write Firebase deploy, and this will deploy it for you. However, if you want to use another project that you have created on the same PC, then you could redo the Firebase initialization part, because then you will be able to choose another project tutorials you would like to see. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is it for today. Please comment down what other tutorials you would like to see.